All right, so here's the train front part. We're going to start with the side, with the sure that my dimensions are in it. We're going with the sketch, extrude, sketch from the front of in diameter, 0.375. Sketch, 0.05. To modeling the 60 here in the middle. You can put what choose text. It's about center. We'll do the number 60. 0.2 to do center in both. Just stick with Arial for now. You can choose others if you'd like. 60. 0.085. Careful on what I select. Select just the number. Right in started drawing. So we'll just use do you see right? I get so you can see it. It's right in the center. It's not clicking here, so we need to use the trick. Choose project. Project the sides of this shape. So for now, so now that's what the project did, was give us these marks, and that's what we need. So now, from here to here, then we want to place 2 points. We'll just randomly place the 2 points out here. Having them is helpful. Choose set dimension, and we'll do these from point. Make sure that it's over so that it's straight to the right. To do the same thing with the other 0.225. It's between these 2 points. 5. Let's do that later. Let's do this one first. Go from here. This is 0.825. Then let's do this one. Okay, that should place them all correctly. Now let's use the line tool. Show this body. Two directions. Let's do symmetric. Should come total of 0.75, so go half of that. 0.75. Let's notice that this doesn't quite attach. This is optional, but it really will make it look better. Body of the circle. Sketch from here. Just want to draw the rectangle space. Let's show both bodies. Make sure you choose join. Nice. Now the next thing we'll do, so create sketch. Let's put box that is 0.5. Use the dimension tool. Should be center. We'll just double check right here and make sure that we got that right. Creative driven, that's fine. 0.125. Excellent. Sketch. At this point, extrude. To extrude here, 0.5. And then let's draw from the face of the cube. So just draw a diagonal. Find center easily. See where the little triangle is. Circle is going to be 0.4. Let's clean up the middle here. Finish the sketch. This part here, 0.2. Let's get into the shape. So minus 0.2. Sphere to make the light on the back. So we're going to come in here like this. See it snap to circle. Do you see how it's snapping to circle? Little point. Leave it now, it would cut it out. This might be a good time right now to set the appearance of this object to be something bright so that show up as well. I'm going to just choose. So let's create a sketch on top here. Just draw a box. This piece by 5. Select the whole top. I'm coming. thing we'll do on this part that's required is doing a fillet. This one we want to be specific on which edges we choose. Because it will do look at it a little bit. See there, need to be selected. Now we'll effect. That's basically done. If you want to do the dimensions now, you may. There's a really cool to do right now that you're supposed to do, but you don't have to. So to do this one, we'll use a midpoint. It's a plane halfway through. Sketch here. Okay. Stack here, it's not clicking, so I want to choose project. Some points to draw from. So if I hide these two bodies, I'll see the points there. Center, we're going to come up. Spline tool, top here, and I'm going to create. Just enter when you're done drawing. This part is solid. Let's finish the sketch. And go back here. Choose mirror. We want to mirror these two edges here on the mirror line in the middle. There we go. It's the sketch. Just going to extrude this piece. Symmetrically, 0.05. Got the part up here, I'm going to make it look like a little flame coming. Color of separate objects. In fact, let's do that real quick. I want the 60 to stand out as well as this edge here. I could try doing a appearance and just painting the front edge. There we go. So if you choose, so it looks like it worked. And I want we'll make the appearance on this one. Let's stick with yellow. Looks like I need to change this to faces. Should let it go yellow. So I will have to go back in history. Here's my 60 right here. So if I double click there, change this to new body, then I can change the values here like the rest. So I can make my numbers gold color. That's what I thought I'd have to do. This is ready to do your dimensions. Please refer to this diagram to know the level of dimensions that I expect.